welcome to Just Anything. So today we are going to unbox one gimbal. It is from Hohem, and this is the new one from Hohem, that is Isteady M6. So it has a AI kit as well, but we'll not get into the details of how it works, but today we'll just unbox it to see what all things are there. So first take out this plastic cover. I did not get anything, so I have this kitchen knife to cut it. Let's throw this out, keep this small zero out there. Let's see how to open this. So we have pull it out from here. Finally got it, so let's pull it out from here. There's a big box in front. So guys, this is Isteady M6 kit. There is one comes with only Isteady M6 without kit. So that kit is basically, I'll show you, that is the AI tracking device that comes at top. So that will cost you around, say I got it from UK, so this is, it will cost you around, around 40 pounds more. If you convert to Indian currency, it will come around what, 2,000. So this is what is a big box that you get. So everything will be inside it. So I'm excited to open this. Okay, so what will we get inside it? So one is this big manual to understand what it is, and it has all the AI gestures that you can, so I'll go through it later on and I'll let you know what all things you can do with this AI tracking. So this is the AI tracking thing I was talking about. This is on the top, so that is can be attached. It is basically attached to a magnet. So this is what we have. So this is the gimbal, and this is the AI tracking device that is attached to the top. So this we contain this one, the gimbal, the AI tracking device, and we have a cable. So this is the cable that we got. So this charging cable that you can charge, I think, yeah. And this one I'm not sure about. I need to check how it will connect. So I'll let you know once I go through the manual and I'll see how it can be attached. And this is the additional or rather small tripod that will get out of the box. And if you want to buy a bigger one, you can buy separately. But it will say standard attachment, so it can attach to any say tripod you have. So this is the standard attachment it has. So maybe I'll go through a bit how to use this and all, then I'll make another detailed video of usage of this gimbal. Okay then guys, thank you, thanks.